So many people dream about owning their own home, a place that is truly theirs. You see the signs, you hear the ads. Buy a home with zero down. It sounds too good to be true, and let me tell you, sometimes it is. The idea that anyone can just walk in and buy without a single dollar is a dangerous myth. It makes homeownership sound like buying a new pair of shoes. That is not reality. You must be smart, you must be strong, and honest about what zero down truly means for your financial life. This myth persists because it is what people want to hear, an easy path to the American dream. But easy paths can lead you off a financial cliff. A true zero down purchase means no down payment. It does not mean the house is free, and it does not mean there are no costs. Lenders are not in the business of charity. They make money from loans. Look past the headlines and read the fine print. Understanding this is the first step to an informed decision. Now that we have busted the myths, let's talk about real legitimate ways to buy a home with no money down. These are not tricks, specific programs for specific groups. The first and most well-known option is the VA loan, a powerful benefit for eligible veterans, active duty service members, and surviving spouses. You may secure a home loan with no down payment. VA loans often have competitive rates and limited closing costs. Another major path is the USDA loan. No, not about farming, supporting rural and some suburban areas. Buy in an eligible location, meet income limits, and you could qualify for zero down. It helps moderate to low-income households build stability outside major metros. Check the USDA maps online. Beyond government loans, help can come from lenders or from the home seller. Some lenders offer grants or secondary loans for your down payment. A motivated seller might credit your closing costs, but it often is not free. You may pay a higher rate, or the price may stay firm to offset the credit. Do the math. Finally, do not overlook state and local down payment assistance, grants or silent seconds with strict rules and limited funds. Act quickly. If you believe zero down is right for you, you cannot just start looking at houses. You must follow a clear roadmap. First, check your credit. It is your financial report card, and lenders will look closely. Get your free reports from all 3 bureaus, read every line, and dispute errors. A higher score unlocks better options and lower rates. This is not optional. Create a real budget, not wishful thinking. No income and every expense. Use a calculator to see what you can afford. Monthly payment equals principal and interest, plus property taxes, plus homeowner's insurance, plus PMI if applicable. Do not stretch to the max. Leave room for life. With credit and budget set, research zero down options, VA eligibility, USDA eligibility, and local state DPAs. Make a list of programs and requirements. After homework, talk to a lender experienced with first-time buyers and your programs. Get pre-approved to know exactly how much you can borrow. Now, you can shop. Your pre-approval gets sellers' attention. Negotiate closing cost help where possible. Read everything. Ask questions. Your agent, lender, and a real estate attorney are there to help. Buying with no money down feels like a victory, but go in with eyes wide open. The most significant risk is a more expensive loan. Lenders take a bigger gamble and charge for it. A slightly higher rate can add tens of thousands in interest over 30 years. With low down payments comes PMI, insurance that protects the lender, not you. Expect an added monthly fee that does not build your wealth. Zero down does not mean zero cash to close, appraisal, origination, title insurance, attorney, and more. Often 2 to 5% of price. On a $300,000 home, that is $6,000 to $15,000. You can ask the seller to pay, but they may say no. Have savings. Starting at zero equity is precarious. If values drop, you could be underwater, owing more than the home is worth. Selling or refinancing becomes hard. Building equity takes time, and the climb is steeper from zero. Weigh the short-term benefit against the long-term cost of a pricier loan. The goal is to buy and afford to keep it. Make decisions deliberately, not emotionally. We have dispelled myths, mapped real pathways, laid out steps, and faced the risks. Buying a home with no money down is not a magic trick. It is a serious financial undertaking. It is possible for some people, and it requires discipline, research, and understanding every cost. Do not jeopardize your future for today's impulse. The journey begins with a single step. So what is the one concrete step you can take right now? Go to annualcreditreport.com and get your free reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Sit down, read them, see where you stand. It costs nothing but a little time. From there, explore VA and USDA requirements and search local DPAs. Talk to a non-profit credit or housing counselor. The goal is to gather information and empower yourself. Buying with zero down is high stakes, but you can choose wisely if you do the work. Start today. Take that first small, powerful step. Your future self will thank you for it.